Hello. Good morning. Magandang umaga and happy Friday po sa ating lahat. And time is 10:34. Ayan guys. So, thank you Lord sa panibagong araw. I hope lahat kayo ay okay lang. And nakapag-breakfast na po kami. Si Buwa ngayon at ngayon lang. Dahil kanina ko pa po siya hinahanap at hindi po siya namin nakikita dito. So, sabi niya, lumabas daw ulit siya at baka bumili siya ng newspaper. So, ngayon lang siya kumain ng sandwich na nagawa ko, yung egg parota sandwich. And then, yon yung lemon guys. Kanina, natawa ako sa sarili ko kasi umiinom kami ng tea. Sabi ko, bakit parang wala man tulasa yung lemon na nabili ko? Ano ba ito? Ngayon, na-realize ko guys, hindi ko pala nilagyan ng lemon. Ang nilagay ko lang honey, tsaka yung mint na hinarvest ko na naman ulit doon sa kapitbahay dahil marami doon kasi guys, nasa gilidan lang. So, ayun. At, kumusta kayo guys? And syempre sa mga hindi pa po familiar sa akin, sa mga bago pong nanonood or nanonood pa lang ng mga vlogs ko or hindi pa po nakakapanood ng mga vlogs ko. Ako nga pala po si Mila. So salamat po sa paglagi subaybay at laging pagsuporta and sa mga masugid kong mga manonood. Shout out po sa inyong lahat and sobrang thank you po sa lagi nyong pag-aabang ng mga vlogs ko. Mga simpleng vlogs ko lang po at buhay ko dito sa Nepal. So ayun guys, today is magluluto po ako ng chamsur and magluluto po ako ng gadagudi. Ito guys, kahapon binili ni Deepak. So ayan, at ito yung gadagudi na lulutuin ko. Nakikita nyo na ito kung paano ko lutuin. Pero yan ang kakainin ni Buwa at ni Deepak. And dahil nakabili po ako ng saba kahapon, so today is magluluto ako ng puchero. Paborito ko. Ilalagay ko. So guys, paborito ko talaga na maraming gulay. Hindi ako expert magluto. Pero yun. At nakabili po ako ng pak choy. Inagahan ko talaga. Ayan, naglalaway na ako guys. Dahil gusto ko maraming gulay kaysa sa meat. Maghigop ba ng sabaw? At lagyan ko siya ng carrots. Ayan guys. Kaya excited talaga ako. At bumili ako ng dal. Dahil wala na po kaming dal, bumili ako. Alam nyo, magimahimay pa ako. And ayun, by the way, si Prasanbay, pupunta siya dito today. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa ating anonymous na sponsor para sa isang binocular po. Maraming salamat ma'am. This is the second time nagpadala po siya sa akin. Siya din po yung nagbigay sa kapatid ni Ama before na pambili ng gamot. So maraming salamat sa iyo ma'am. Alam mo na kung sino ka. From Washington DC. And thank you very much. For today, hindi namin makukuha yung pera. Sinend ni ma'am nung 2 days ago na. Hindi pa namin siya nakuha and hindi siya namin makukuha today dahil today wala pong pasok dahil today is May 1. So happy Labor Day po sa ating lahat. Hindi namin makukuha today yung pinadala niya dahil since tomorrow is holiday, every Saturday talaga is holiday po dito sa Nepal and Sunday holiday na rin po. So baka by Sunday pa namin makukuha. Although sila niyon Sunday holiday pa rin and pero I think hindi ko alam, sana bukas sila by Sunday, no? Kasi holiday pa rin eh. Inano kasi yun ng government, guys, na Saturday and Sunday. Hindi ko alam kung sa school lang or sa, I think sa mga offices din. Pero kasi, ano naman yan, no? Private yung kinukuha na. No? Ganda ng ikaw ko, diba? Bigay ito sa akin ni Sis Gina, yung sister ng Velasco, guys. So, I think yung mga kasama ko, hindi sila masyado gutom pa, lalong-lalo ito si Buwa. Dahil late na si Buwa, mas late siya sa amin kumain ng sandwich. Mabigat na rin kasi yung parota. So, may time pa ako na magchika-chika, konti si Deepak, naglilinis siya sa itaas. And si Johan nandun, mamaya-maya aalis si Johan. Pero kailangan ko na, I think, lutuin din yung unahin ko yung puchero at magsahing ako para makakain si Johan bago siya umalis. Dahil pupunta po sila sa, saan ba yun? Nakalimutan kung lugar ng pinsan ni Deepak, yung namatayan na asawa. Yun, yung anak niya, pinsan ni Johan. So, ayun. Magbabanding sila kasama yung tiwi nila ng mga kambal. Okay, guys. Yung ating pochero, yung saba. Pakuluan ko lang siya ng maigi. Walang kulay, no? Sige lang, Basta ganyan. Pochero na yan. Basta may carrots. Wala eh. Yan lang eh. Importante may mga gulay. Ay, sarap ang bango. Ito talaga gusto ko guys. Maraming gulay. Nilagyan ko siya isang sili. Hindi ko na pala lulutuin yung dadagudi kasi may nakalimutan ko. May natira pa akong ulam kagabi na niluto. Which is yung chicken curry din namin na may cabbage. Okay guys. Kain na ako. Kumakain na si Buwa. Ito na yung paborito ko. 2 pakpak lang yan guys. 2 pakpak. Saka rice. Thank you Lord. Si Deepak, tapos na. Tayin na lang si Pasanbay. Ay, ala, nakuha na pala namin yung pera. I did not expect. Kasi nga si Deepak, may ano yan siya online. May connection. So, sinend agad sa akin. Cabbage. Binibigyan niya lahat sa akin tubig. Oh. Over service. Hello, Prasanbay. Namaste.
Namaste.
Good afternoon. How
Good
are
afternoon. I come here after a long time.
you? Yeah, 1 o'clock, guys. Mag 1 o'clock.
Maybe after more than 1.5 years.
Yeah. I previously, I already told them about your
Binocular.
project.
Yeah.
For binocular.
Yeah.
So I already told them that one madam from Washington DC sent the money
Okay.
for your
Thank you.
project. So what can you, any message for madam?
Yeah. So I think she wants to stay anonymous. So she's Mila Bauju said she's from Washington DC. So I want to say thank you very much. So Bauju received the money yesterday, and I think she will transfer me the money today. And we will. So there is 3 days public holiday. So on Sunday or Monday.
Yes,
Monday.
I already told them also.
Yeah, Monday we will go and I will go and buy the binocular first, and I have 1 or 2 candidates for the binocular, so I'll shortlist into one who deserves the binocular, who is the right person. Then I'll courier on the same day, and I will take the videos and send it to Mila Bauju in WhatsApp or Google Drive. And once the kid receives it after a few days, I'll tell them to make a video as a short, maybe 30 seconds, something saying thank you to Bauju and the sponsor, and I'll send it to you, and you can make the blog. Okay. Once again, thank you to Madam.
Yeah,
I don't know her
okay,
name.
Prasanbay, no pressure. So as soon as you have time,
Yeah.
I mean, take your time, no
Yeah,
problem.
we will not
Just
rush.
I will
Yeah.
wait for the video
Okay.
because I know you are busy also. So whenever you have already time
Yeah.
for you to go to check for the binocular,
Yeah.
and I hope the price is still the same. They will
I
have
hope so, yeah, because the dollar price has already gone up.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay, whatever is, if the price has gone up, I'll put in the rest, it's okay.
Okay, then again to Madam Washington.
Madam Washington, Miss USA, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So, have party soon.
Party, yeah.
Deepak is
Did you drink beer from the money? No.
Oh, okay, Deepak who is making fun.
Oh,
So,
Garang Gurung, storm is brewing.
yeah, but
Big
this
storm.
side, guys, this side araw, but this side
Kaya.
is dark.
Rani.
के भएको
So,
नाक हान्छ
ayun.
ठोक्यो क्या
Ita-transfer ko na yung account, yung money.
लडेको सुधिरालामा
Bye guys, again, at
कहिले कुरा आयो फेरि
ng Washington DC. Thank you so
भने बुझेँ
much.
लडेको
So, ililipat ko na ito yung
यहीँ घरमै कहाँ टेबलमा लाग्यो
Bye.
यहाँ कम्प्युटर
So,
चलेर
ayun guys ha, medyo maingay na dito na naka-mic si Prasanbay, sandali muna.
हुन्छ त्यही
बार भयो भन्छ होइन बार भएन
त्यो झुकिँदै
Okay guys, yan guys, nag-ano silang dalawa sa mga ibon.
लेगनी हो
Nagpapaturo si Prasanbay, mga itsura ng ibon. Ano ang mga pangalan.
अनि यो किङ कोइल त गाह्रो होला
किङ कोइल त देख्ने बित्तिकै छुट्यो
जस्तै यो कमन कोइलको चाहिँ यो कसो थाहा भयो के छ छुट्याउनु
Okay guys, so sabi ko sa kanila, kain kami ng momo. Ayan si Prasan. Made in Nepal, chata, and made in America.
कोलम्बिया
Student sleeper. Oh, will eat very hot momo. Jol momo. Kain kami guys kasi today it's raining. Mas masarap kumain ng hot momo. Tingnan yung umbrella ko. Bigay pa to ni ate. From UK. Thank you ate. I hope you're okay there. And papaayos ko lang. Ito lang yung diferensya niya guys. So, tagi-isa kami para kasi mahirap pag sa isang payong. Si Prasan pala, laki ng payong niya, oh. Prasan ba is good yung umbrella, very big. It suits to you. Yeah.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that
This is too far. This one.
Okay guys, I asked Prasan
See,
Bay
Daddy?
about
This
his
put top, okay? So this should show.
yeah,
The purple
exercise.
top should show.
Yeah, it's coming. Exercise
Well,
routine.
we had Momo, that's why.
Just we had mom. Wow! Every day.
Yeah.
Every day, yeah, routine niya na exercise. I asked him. Every day, how many?
100.
100.
10 like this.
Ah, 10, 10, 10. Then rest.
Yeah. Okay, 10.
What 100 this one?
Today
100.
already done 100. Dips.
Okay,
and,
that's good.
Push up.
Hmm.
It's very difficult.
Before when I see you, more thin. Now, a little bit muscle.
Yeah, I gained 10 kg muscles here.
Yeah.
This is called pull-up. Like pull-up.
Huh.
Only 5% of the world's population, including male and female, can do 10 pull-ups. Only 5% of the world population. Very hard. 10 and one pull-up, maybe the 10-12% can do.
Okay.
So very hard this one.
Because just we had a momo,
We
so he want to burn the calories.
Yeah.
But actually, we walk a lot. Yeah?
We work a lot.
Yeah. Okay guys, nakabalik na kami and ayan, nag-aaral daw sila. They are studying. Iba yung plano, dapat kaso umulan. So naging ganito. Sabi ni Prasan, let's study. Birds of Nepal, I think. No? The book is Birds of Nepal.
Dito, yeah.
Prasan ba yun?
Yeah, birds of Nepal birds. Yeah. बुल्ल सकिसक्यो मेरो बुलबुल त सक्यो अब नयाँ चाहिँ थप्यो भने थाहा छैन
बोल्नु सब सक्यो
बुलबुल त सकिसक्यो हेटौडामा लास्ट चाहिँ यो भएको हाम्रो त्यो
White throated?
वाइट थ्रोटेड कहाँ यो चाहिँ हेटौडामा लास्ट भएको त्यसपछि आएर यो त भयो
Ayan na sila guys, oh, si Yuan doon matutulog sa kanyang mga pinsan. Bye-bye! Prasan, bye! Fish! 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 Not fish! Fish! Yeah. Ayan na sila guys. Okay, say hi to my vlog! Lahat sila guys, vacation for 3 months. Only him. Going to Australia soon. Oh, he's trying to Australia guys. Yeah. Ayun guys, doon si Yuan matutulog. Sige lang kasi wala siyang pasok bukas hanggang Sunday. And yung mga kasama niya, parang mga kuya niya na talaga kahit yung tiyuhin na kambali mga ka-close niya. Kaya magbanding muna sila. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Sabi ko bukas kung gusto niyo matulog dito, matulog. Kasi 3 months yan. Alam niyo yung isa, big brother nila, pinaka parang kuya nila. Yan si Asi, maliit pa yan dati. Diyos ko, karga-karga ni Ama, dalhin namin sa kanyang hostel yan, no, yung pinakahuli. Uwi na sila. Hindi naman pwede, hindi ko payagan si Yuhan, guys, kasi naawa man ako, gustong makipagbanding, tsaka nabuboring din yan siya na mag-isa lang siya. Happy na yan siya pag makabanding siya sa kanyang mga tiyo-tiyuhin. Teka lang guys, tingnan ko muna sila. Guys, mabuti na lang si Prasan Bayo. Ay,
You will come, the age will come in minus. So
Oh.
you need to do 2026 minus 1979.
yeah. Tama nga
Then
guys.
you get-
Na-confuse ako kasi sabi ko, si Deepak, mag-47 na siya. Because he always said, I'm 45 now. So I will be 46. Sabi ko, how come I'm 47, but now it's because of Prasanbay? My
one
mind
year
is
come down now.
become clear. Na 46 pa lang pala ako, I thought I'm 47.
So so moral of the story is when we get old, our brain is getting
Small is small.
our brain
Small.
is getting smaller, and we can think.
We
The
become-
problem is she's not using it, no? That's why.
How many percent? A human brain use what 7 to 8%.
Prasanbay, they said when we are
She's
get
using 5%.
So they say a human being only use like 8% or 9% of the brain, not even 9, but 8%, 7 to 8% of the brain. So Deepak is saying you are using only 5. Is it true?
too much worse 5%. And you, how much percent you are
I'm
He is
using?
using 110%.
110%.
That's why he break his nose.
Break his nose. Prasanbay is
And
good.
he fall down in his own room.
he
Sometimes
have
in the road, and then he crack his head.
he have Pinocchio nose. What if this nose is fake nose?
He is using some bird's brain.
Okay guys, uwi na si Prasanbay.
Deepak also there. Wait.
Take care ha, Prasanbay.
Okay.
And you come.
Which one is that? Recent.
Come again. Ano oras na?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, Prasanbay. Take
Bye-bye,
care.
Bozo. Thank you very much.
Pass
Thank
to
you.
Madam Washington again.
Yeah, I don't know the name, but she's from USA, Washington DC.
Thank you so
And,
much.
I will buy the binocular maybe next week after Monday.
Yeah. Take your time, just
and we'll choose the right candidate
yeah.
and we'll send. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll send you the videos. If you come in, it's also fine. otherwise-
pipiliin niya. No, he will be the one only because otherwise too much work and you are busy also. We don't want to disturb you
Yeah, it's
anyway.
okay.
Whenever everything is okay and plus that lucky person to receive and the video is ready, then just send it to me. We'll share it to them.
And I send you 3 videos: me playing, him playing, and Johan playing.
Okay.
You can put all 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung
And
nagigitara
this one
sila.
also, exercise, you send me the video.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Pasama.
bye-bye everybody.
Bye-bye.
Happy Buddha Jayanti.
Take care.
Tata.
Today is what?
Buddha Jayanti, the day Buddha was born.
Ah, okay. Happy birthday, Lord Buddha.
Lord Buddha, yeah.
Yeah, today pala birthday ni Buddha. Kaya holiday.
Okay, I'll come giving videos.
Yeah, guys, ipasan bye. Open the door. Open the gate, Papa.
Papa.
Papa. Aray ko. Ang kamay ko, ang buto-buto ko. Biglang sumakit nito. I forgot now my age. I thought I'm 47. Sabi ni Prasan Bay, why you add 1 year your age?
I reduce 1 year, my God.
Oh my God. Everything is, I'm telling I'm 47.
6 you are.
And Deepak, I always get angry with him, but he is so correct.
I'll take this one outside first.
La! You don't feel cold?
Nothing cold. Now bike is getting more.
How many minutes from here, your house?
I'll go slow 40 minutes.
Maybe no traffic now? Maybe traffic?
Traffic, not that much. Today is holiday, no?
Yeah.
If you go Bauda or Swayambhu, too much. La, go.
Bye-bye. Ah, Prasan, bye. Take care.
Yeah, Baudu. Yeah.
Hey, why? Oh my God. Ah. Lahas. Has.